Welcome to the Sandestin Model by Lennar at South Shore Yacht Club. This beautiful home features 2,875 square feet, a flex room, as well as 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and a half bath. As you enter this beautiful home, you will notice the open concept with kitchen, dining, and living space, open and airy, perfect for entertaining. The kitchen features quartz countertops, tile backsplash, and a huge walk-in pantry. Next, we will show you the owner's suite. It is privately located on the first floor, featuring dual vanity, also with quartz countertops, oversized walk-in shower, and a master closet big enough to fit everyone's clothes. Right off of the living room is your laundry facilities, garage access, and a small storage area. Now let's take a look at the beautiful patio. Here you have tons of space for entertaining or enjoying the outdoors. You'll notice there's private access off of the master suite as well. And the patio comes pre-plumbed, so it's ready for your outdoor kitchen. As we take you upstairs, you'll first notice the open loft area, giving a second living space. There's also a guest suite with spacious bedroom and attached full bath with walk-in closet. On the other side, you will find the remaining 2 bedrooms with full bath. A couple of things to note. These homes come already with the epoxy flooring in the garage. When you choose waterfront sites, the docks and boat lifts are available and already pre-permitted as well. Now it's time to take a look at one of my favorite spots, and that's the balcony. In this community, whether you are on the waterfront site or a preserve site, you are guaranteed to have beautiful views. So if you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out to Trish or I. We would be happy to answer those questions and provide you a private tour.